Okay, guys. So the first thing first is that India में SAT fee waiver मिलना is kind of tough, and the only organization that gives SAT fee waiver is Buddy for Schools. But the problem which I faced and a lot of Indian students face is that the scholarships are not 100% available on Buddy for Schools, and the problem has a solution जो मैं इस वीडियो में बनाने जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है. So see, I gave SAT 2 times and दोनों बारी मुझे 11,000 देने पड़े थे, and it was like so much of a burden to me because मैं अभी मिडिल क्लास से हूँ. ठीक है. So later on I realized by talking with people in the community of Abroad for Better Future. See, if your family income is less than 8 lakhs, you are eligible for 90% of the scholarship. And if it's between like 8 to 15 lakhs, you are going to get like 50% of the scholarship in waiver form. So in Buddy for Schools, what most of the people don't know is that बहुत लोग just they just contact the school authorities who are organizing the SAT exams and they just go for it कि can I get a free waiver. मैंने भी खुद किया था, but the thing is that Indian schools, most of them don't not offer free waiver code. Like उनके पास है ही नहीं. ठीक है, like it's sort of like that. And the main issue with Buddy for Schools is that Buddy for Schools के scholarships, बहुत important बात है, ध्यान से सुनना. Buddy for Schools के SAT scholarships are open. They get open like 3 to 5 days before the SAT, the real SAT. Like for example, let's say that let's suppose that 5 December को SAT होने वाला है, ठीक है, and the next SAT is going to be on January के like कुछ एक दिन, ठीक है. So if you are going to give the SAT on January, you have to keep an open eye on the scholarships between on the Buddy for Schools in between December 1 to December 5, because in इस particular time में ही तुम्हें स्कॉलरशिप मिलने वाला है. लाइक स्कॉलरशिप पोर्टल opens in that time only. ठीक है, and that is a major problem with most of the Indian students do not know. ठीक है, and that's all pretty much. ठीक है, and if you are an Indian student going for abroad after class 12, definitely join our community. It's free to join, helpful and supportive, and you can have some real talks in there because हम लोग पैसा नहीं मांगते first of all, and like second of all, you just want to help Indian students basically for undergrad. ठीक है, masters के लिए नहीं है. The link is in the description. You can click on it, fill the form, and we'll reach out on your WhatsApp number. ठीक है, Indian हो तभी करना, वरना मत करना. ठीक है, and I guess that's all for this video. अभी के लिए इतना था. सब्सक्राइब कर देना and